because that's normal human search behavior. Normal behavior is not click a link that goes straight to a profile to write a review. Yelp can be amazing, but getting reviews to stick on Yelp is so damn hard right now. And in most every market, the people who went hard on Yelp early have like 100 reviews, which is impossible to get 100 reviews to stick on Yelp today. So it's really hard to compete. There's some people here in San Diego that did a great job early on, and it's made it really hard to compete. But I have a friend, John Glutch. He actually now lives in Coronado, but he runs a team in Scottsdale, and he's does like $60 million in Scottsdale, almost all of it from Yelp. So if you can crush on Yelp, Yelp can be amazing, because people just search realtor reviews San Diego. If you're the top person that pulls up, you're gonna get business from that. It's just so hard to get Yelp reviews to stick. So if you can figure out how to get them to stick, it could be amazing. The biggest tip for getting Yelp reviews to stick is never give somebody a link to your Yelp profile. You just tell them, hey, I'd really appreciate if you could review me on Yelp, and just go on Yelp and type in our name up at the top. Because that's normal human search behavior. Normal behavior is not click a link that goes straight to a profile to write a review. Yelp tracks that. So if you want to minimize the number of reviews that get filtered, that's the way to do it. Never send somebody your direct link. Yelp knows that, they're smart. Wait. Before you leave, I want to share some more tips and tricks that we're using in our business to take it to that next level. Just click right here. And don't forget to subscribe. Click right here.